We are going to investigate rotations through the use of GeoGebra. So we are going to rotate an object about a point, and the point we are going to use is always going to be the origin. So the first thing we need to do is put a point there and confirm that that is exactly its location. We'll go into calculator. We see we put a point on the origin. Next we will build a polygon to rotate, something that has a couple of characteristics. One, its shape is not regular, and two, its vertices are points that are integers. So let's confirm that we've done that. Integer points. Now to rotate this 90 degrees, positive 90 degrees from quadrant 1 to quadrant 2, or counterclockwise 90 degrees, we'll go ahead and grab transformations, rotate about a point, click the object, click the point, tell it we want to go counterclockwise 90 degrees, click OK, and then we will investigate exactly what that transformation did to each one of those points, and we'll add a 90 degrees counterclockwise, a 270 degrees counterclockwise, and a 180 degrees counterclockwise. 90, 180, 270 to our rule sheet.